Welcome, food enthusiasts, to a sizzling journey through the heartland of America. Today we embark on a culinary adventure that takes us back to the days of the wide open prairies, where herds of majestic bison roam freely. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable experience as we introduce you to the mouth-watering world of Bison Smashburgers. Bison, or American buffalo, hold a special place in the history and culture of North America. These magnificent creatures once thundered across the plains in great numbers, providing sustenance and livelihood to Native American tribes. Today they continue to inspire us with the resilience and the unique flavor they bring to our plates. While bison meat has long been cherished for its lean and nutritious qualities, we're about to take it to a whole new level. Say goodbye to ordinary burgers and hello to the Bison Smashburger, a tantalizing creation that fuses the wild essence of bison with the mouth-watering art of smash-style cooking. Let's get started. You're going to want to grab a pound of ground bison and form it into 6 meatballs, not packed too tightly. FYI, I did make 6, but I'm only cooking 4 tonight, and I'm going to have 2 fresh ones tomorrow. While I was forming those meatballs, I had the griddle heating up outside. The side that the burgers are going to get smashed on is sitting at around 475 right now, and the side where I'm going to toast those buns is sitting at about 350. This is going to be a quick cook. The burgers should only take 3.5 to 4 minutes at the most to cook, and the buns just 2, 3, or 4 minutes to get nice and toasted, depending on how toasty you like your buns. You're going to want to spread some sort of cooking oil over the spot where the burgers are going to go. I'm using grapeseed. Alright, enough of me flapping my gums. Let's get these burgers smashed. If you're some sort of a little wimp like me, I suggest you wear some sort of food gloves on your hand while smashing these to protect your fingers from all the oil that's going to be splattering up. Word to the wise, you're going to want to use some sort of parchment paper in between the meat and whatever you're using to smash these burgers with. You could go without the parchment paper. I have in the past. Results may vary. Sometimes the meat sticks to it and sometimes it doesn't. I always like to season one side to taste with a little salt and pepper. Okay, it's time to toast up these buns, and today I'll be toasting them in a little bit of butter. Normally I just like to toast the buns dry on the griddle and have one side get a little crisp and toasty, but recently I had a friend who made a very hurtful comment about how I toast my buns and how they come out. So if you're out there listening, I just want you to know that although you may think that I'm just some heartless, bald-headed prick that stands around all day in his backyard flipping burgers, well, I have feelings too, buddy. Okay, moving on. It's been about 1 minute and 48 seconds exactly since I put that first patty on. Let's give it a flip, as we will do with the others, and see how they look. These 4 patties look pretty good if you ask me. And they have a pretty good Maillard reaction on there. What's a Maillard reaction, you're asking yourself? Well, it's the chemical reaction between an amino acid and a reducing sugar, usually requiring the addition of heat. It's kind of like caramelization. In short, it's going to make the outside of these burgers have a nice, tasty, brown, thin crust. Okay, we threw some cheddar cheese on here, and now we're going to fast forward about 1 minute exactly. And these are done. These buns came out pretty good too. Just a light toasting. Just how I like it. Join me as I waltz into my kitchen and we build some tasty burgers. We're going to throw a little Duke's mayo on those toasty bun bottoms. Duke's mayo is the truth. Next, I will be adding just a little dab of horseradish. Gives it a nice kick. Next, add those all-American bison burgers. Make sure not to mess up the 3 P's. Perfect pickle placement. Top it off with a juicy tomato slice. And crown those burgers with the top bun. This truly was a collision between the heritage of the American bison, along with our modern love affair with burgers. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoy eating these tasty burgers. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe. More culinary delights to come.